there's nothing wrong in a trial. If they are innocent, they will be discharged by the court. There's nothing wrong in being accused in a case. They have no political vendetta against them.
Political vendetta,
It is a political vendetta.
political blood feud, and reasons best known to them why bring it at this time. And it hadn't been a burning issue, it would have come up in the previous years.
Since they are blaming it on BJP as a political vendetta, there is no reason to believe it's a political vendetta in the first place. Because the complainant of the same was Subramaniam Swamy, and while he wasn't a part of the BJP party before he filed the complaint, there is no reason to believe that BJP is part of the blame game and only blaming it on Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi as a part of their political agenda.
I think BJP is justified in its accusations against Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. The arguments presented by Mr. Subramaniam Swamy in this case, they make sense and they're very logical. We've been seeing them everywhere. Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi are not really showing a good picture of themselves by hiding away and not showing up in court when they are asked to. At least they should respect the judicial processes and do what they're asked to do.
The thing about Congress is at any given point of time they just start off. First it was political intolerance, now religious intolerance, now they've started something new, political vendetta against them. At the end of the day they just have to prove we are victims of some BJP's huge scheme of events, and at the end of the day they have to realize that the public isn't a fool, and the Gandhi Parivar, they should just stay grounded now for a few days. They should realize that the judicial system cannot be disrespected like this.
It doesn't really matter in the end what the vendetta is of the BJP or the Congress against each other. As long as the justice is served, and if there's something wrong that is brought out to the limelight, I don't think it really matters whether or not it started as a blame game. Because if eventually people are getting justice and something right is being done, it's perfectly fine.